Hey guys, what's up? I can't even do my what's up because I'm losing my voice. And speaking of my voice, please don't mind it. I feel like I'm getting sick. I'm hoping that I can get this super short video up today. What's today? Today is Sunday. So I'm hoping I can get this up today so that I could just hop in my bed on my next days off and just try to get over this sickness before it really slaps me in the face and I can't do anything. Don't mind the sniffing, don't mind the crazy voice, I'm so sorry. This is just a quick video just showing off my new printable digital journal kit. Okay, so I did another kit. This is my second printable kit. It is now in my Etsy shop. The link is below. Check it out. Buy it if you like it. It's 15 pages in total. So this is the first one. Actually, I'm not going to lift it up because I think you could see the whole thing in the picture here. Well, maybe I'll lift it up a little. What I did with this one, guys, this says be fearless. It's the only way to be. Be fearless is one of my favorite statements / quotes or whatever you want to call it, because that's just what you got to be in everything, and especially in art. I mean, especially in life, but in art as well. I feel like I need to be fearless. In other words, do whatever I feel like doing, whether I think people are going to think it's going to look good or not, whether it's the norm or not, just do it and be fearless. So with this kit, I was kind of fearless in a sense where I decided that I wanted to put together my hand-drawn doodles mixed in with real photos of like flowers and some vintage things thrown in there. And I think the mix between the doodling and the real flowers and stuff like that, it went perfect. It's not the norm. It's not something that, I don't know, you may want in a vintage junk journal, but it doesn't necessarily need to be a vintage junk journal. There's some vintage elements I threw in there, but I called it Vintage Summer just because it's something easy. And I suck with naming things. Forget it. I suck. So, yeah, I called it Vintage Summer because it's very summery because of the flowers, and then there's some vintage stuff in there, whatever. The background is canvas, just like my previous kit, because I really love having that texture in the background. And all these doodles that you see in this kit, you can buy as digi stamps in my Etsy shop as well. That's the first page. I love it. And I printed on the back of them just the plain background. This is the next one, and this is just a big collage of flowers. And the colors in this video, not correct. The video does it no justice, so stay to the end where I'm going to put some real pictures and then you'll be able to see what the coloring really looks like. And I used the lace from my last journal kit as well. It was so cute. I had to use the lace again. So that's that one. This is kind of supposed to look like a flip up, although you can't flip it up. But if you attached like a piece of tissue there or vellum or something and still flipped it up, that would be cute. This is the next one, and some of these images are from Graphics Fairy, which I'm gonna link below. They have amazing commercial free use images that you can use, a lot of vintage stuff, so I grab stuff from them from time to time. And so this is the image with mushrooms, and what I did was I put my doodles on top of the mushrooms in a little crown because I just thought it was cute. And then there's this one here. This is another one of my hand doodles, I can and I will. I love that, excuse me, that is so gross. I love this this saying as well, I can and I will, because, you know, it's uplifting, it's motivating, you know what I mean? I can and I will. Do I always? Hell no. But I can, and I'm gonna try. I can and I will, or I'll try. So I put that there inside the frame, but I mean, you can put a little image in this frame and cover that up. It doesn't even matter. I think a little image in the frame would look so cute. And I love this mushroom. So pretty. So again, just a couple little vintage pieces with my doodles. I just love the mixture of the hand-drawn stuff and the real pictures. Is that not cool? Is it just me? I just think it's so cool. Here's another page where I just put the lines here so you could journal there if you want to. And then a pretty little girl, and put my doodles behind it and over the side to kind of wrap around the paper. Love that. And this is I'll show you that background in here after. This in the background is like some messy handwriting, which is also part of my digi stamps. They're not actual words, it's just a bunch of bleh. But it looks like handwriting. And some ledger. So again, you can, you can write on here if you want to. You can add some more pieces of ephemera. It's up to you. And then we have this one. I love this big yellow leaf. It's so bright in person. Like I said, I'm going to put the pictures up at the end. But it's so bright. And I just put the little doodles coming out the envelope. I thought that was so cute. But a lot of these pages can also make a nice cover. Like if you just put like a nameplate at the top. A lot of these make a super nice cover if you would like to use it as a cover. So now we get into just the more plain looking spreads. I wanted to make some where obviously you can put your own journaling or whatever you want on the page instead of having it all decorated already. So there's this one. And then there's this one where again I made it like it's a flip up or just a ripped double sheet and put some safety pins. I use the safety pins in my previous kit as well. They're so cute. And then there's just a fully plain sheet that just has the canvas texture in the background. And that actually comes in 2 shades. So the lighter one or the darker one. And then we have the few background just plain pattern sheets. So this has one real flower, one hand doodled flower. I love patterns with just big flowers, so I thought this was cute. This one is just line paper, and it has the canvas texture in the back, so you don't have to tea dye any of these sheets. If you print on the back of them with one of these backgrounds or any of the plain backgrounds, there's no tea dyeing involved because they're all beige colored. There's no actual stark white in it. And that's because I like that tea-dyed look and I didn't want to have to tea-dye anything. So this is a great filler sheet for the journal. A really good filler sheet. Along with these, like they're all really good. Excuse me. Bless me. I need to finish this video. They're all great filler sheets. And then there's this one that just has the messy handwriting in the background, which is faded, so you can even still write over this or put stuff over this if you want to. And then this, of course, I'm going to show how it looks when you print on some tissue. I didn't do the vellum this time. I plan to when I make this book, because I'm going to make a journal using all these sheets after I finish my junk trunk journal, which I still haven't finished. Shame on me. Shame on me. I printed a couple on, this is not tissue. This is tracing paper. Look how pretty that looks, guys. Oh my gosh. I love that. I love how that looks. And then I just did another one with one of the plain backgrounds. This would be just such a cute overlay throughout the journal to go over any page and just have that yummy crinkly sound in there. Love it. And then we have just 2 very simple cutout sheets. I'm still learning, this part of the journal kit world in making tags and stuff like that. I'm great at making spreads in Photoshop. The tags, I'm working on it. But I thought these were super cute, so I only made 2 sheets. In my next kits, I hope to expand that and make multiple sheets of cutouts that you could add throughout the book. But for now, I have this one that's got 3 cards, and I put some of the images from the backgrounds of the journal over the cards, and some cute little tags and some little, I don't know, just pieces you could cut out and put in there. And then you can cut out the flowers and the mushrooms and the little stuff. So yeah, this is the first cutout sheet. And then this one that just has two tiny envelopes and 2 tiny pockets. So the pockets are with the line paper, the envelopes, this one has the writing and this one has the flowers. So yeah, got 2 envelopes, 2 pockets, some little cards and stuff. But that's it, guys. That is the full kit. That is 15 pages. I love it. I love the colors. I love how bright the flowers are. Like I said, this video does it no justice, so I'm definitely going to add all the pictures at the end, and you'll see them on my Etsy to see the true color. Next, guys, I am going to be putting up an art video. I miss painting. I miss using my watercolors and my acrylics and getting messy. I haven't done it in a while. I've been doing all this like journal stuff, and although I love the journal stuff, I miss my painting. And then I'm gonna throw a video in there as well to finish my journal. Now, the next junk trunk is already coming soon. It's coming out either early July or mid-July from what I know. So I really want to get this done before the next one comes out. Mind you, even if the next one comes out, which by the way everyone should get, it's going to be a Bohemian kit. It's amazing already. So check out I'm a Cool Mom. I'm going to link her below, and her Etsy, of course. This junk trunk kit is actually sold out now, but you can still get the digital stuff. And I still want to, you know, put a video together decorating some of these pages so you guys can, you know, play along with me, because at the end of the day, I know a lot of you got this kit and you may not have made your journal yet, even though the next one's coming out soon. So you might still want to see me, you know, play around in here and put this together with all my ephemera that I cut out and haven't used yet. So the rest of this is coming soon. So that's it, guys. I gotta go. My nose is running. I hope you love the kit. It's linked below. Please take a look at it, you know, check it out, purchase it. If you make anything with this kit and you put it on social media, please tag me. It warms the heck out of my heart to see when someone uses my stuff in their art. It's still very new to me, and there's been a couple people that got my last kit and showed me stuff they made, and I just freaked out. So check it out. If you're not interested in it and you do know people who like making junk journals, share it with them. Maybe they'll like to incorporate this kit in their journal. Okay, that's it. See you soon. Bye.